Home decor, DIYs, thrift flips, dupes, hacks, and more. Welcome to CJ DIY. Hey there, my darlings. Are you tired of cluttered countertops and messy makeup bags? Do you want to keep your cosmetics and perfumes organized and displayed in a beautiful way? And as I am looking at the market, trays, risers, organizers can cost anywhere from $100 to $200. Well, you're in luck because today I went to Dollar Tree. I found some amazing picture frames and let's get crafting. I purchased 3 sets of these amazing golden frames. They're in 3 different sizes, 4x4, 4x6, and 5x7. I wish they had another 8x10, but we're gonna use another set for that 8x10 riser that we're gonna create later on. So first I'm gonna work on the smallest one. I'm removing the backing, the mat, and all that part that this picture frame came with. I'm also removing these metal pins that this picture have. There is like 4 of them on each frame, and after I removed them, they were so easy to remove them with my plier. Next, I'm gonna be gluing the glass inside of my frame since the glass is removable, and I'm adding a fix-all all adhesive in the corners of my frames, and then in the middle parts I will be adding a hot Gorilla Glue, but you can add any glue that you prefer and make your glass to be nice and sturdy because we're gonna be adding something on top of it later on. I purchased these faux pearl beads from Dollar Tree, 40 pieces per bag. I choose the largest size. They're coming in 3 sizes, and I will be adding on my frames. I will be adding 5 pearls on each side of this frame, and I'm gluing them with my fix-all glue. And I'm not measuring, I'm just thinking that they're on an equal distance between each other. If this is not your style, definitely you can add a different kind of frame and different kind of beads. Doesn't need to be pearls. You can add the wood beads and then wooden frames and get the same look in a different kind of style. I decided to add some glam style today, and you're gonna see at the end how everything is gonna come out. And super quick and easy. We don't need to add any paints. We just add lots of gluings. You just need to be patient with the glue until it gets nice and sturdy, and you're gonna have a very satisfying look at the end. I let the frame on the side for a little bit until the pearls were nice, glued, and sturdy. I clean up the glass with the alcohol, and now it's time to add both frames together. On top of each pearl, I'm adding a fix-all glue again, and then I'm gonna be adding the second frame on top of the pearls. I leave this tray on the side, and then I'm gonna be working on my second largest 4x6 frame and repeating the same step with the pearls and the glue, and I'm gonna leave those on the side as well. Now that they're nice, dried, and sturdy, I'm gonna be using these glass candle holders that I also purchased from Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna be adding one on each of my risers. So I'm also adding a salt adhesive glue, and I'm gonna be adding this glass holder in the middle part of my frame. and I checked the distance with my hands and make sure that this glass holder was in a middle part of my risers. I'm repeating the same step on my smallest riser as well, adding the same kind of glass holder, and I'm gonna leave them on the side just for a few hours until they get glued and sturdy. For my third set of frames 5x7, I repeated the same step with adding the pearls between the frames to create the riser, but on this one I won't be adding the glass holders. I decided to add these crystal doorknobs that I got in my stash, and to make the legs cohesive with the frames, I'm gonna be adding and covering that silver lining on that doorknobs with a golden metallic finish, and after it's dry I'm gonna glue those doorknobs as legs on my riser with all-purpose cement glue from Dollar Tree. You can always use E6000 if you have, but I think this cement glue or Fix-All all adhesive glue works just perfect and is nice and sturdy for my risers. Now that the risers are nice, glued and sturdy, and look how they all look together, it's time to decorate them. There is so many ways that we can decorate or organize our cosmetics with these trays, and one of them is layering them on top of each and making them like a tiered trays and set them up and be just a perfect organizer for our perfumes. So here my daughter is showing you the way that we add them up, and on purpose we didn't glue those candle holders just because sometimes we want to decorate or organize our trays in a different way. But the first way we can decorate and with adding my daughter's perfumes, and this is the way that she decorated, and I really love how she did it. For another riser, I will be using these 8x10 also golden frames, and I'm repeating the same step like I did for my other risers. I'm removing the backing, the back mat and all that, and also I'm removing all those pins with my pliers, and I'm gonna put those two frames together but in a different way than we did the others. I'm gluing my glass with a Fix-All in the three parts, in the corners and then in the middle part, and then in between I'm not mixing it together, but in between when there is no glue I'm adding a hot Gorilla Glue and adding the glass and making it nice and sturdy. I found this pearl ribbon at a thrift store for just a few cents, and I decided to add this pearl ribbon for this riser. So I'm adding a glue and gluing this ribbon on top of the frame. And with making all those amazing risers and trays, handcrafted from repurposed picture frames, they're price affordable, customizable to fit your personal styles, just perfect for storing makeup, perfumes, and small essentials. And I really love how everything came out today. Now that my pearls are glued on one frame, I'm adding a glue for my second frame, and I'm gonna add that glue on top of my pearl ribbon as well, and we have a perfect riser. I clean it up with the alcohol, the glass and the side of the frames, and now as legs, I'm gonna be adding 4 of those glass candle holders. Inside of it, I just add a couple of pearls because I thought that's super cute, and I'm gonna be adding glue, and I'm gonna be gluing them on the bottom of my tray. And that's it for this quick and easy and beautiful organizer slash riser slash tray. I'm pretty sure after this episode, you're never gonna look at those picture frames the same way, and you're gonna try to make your own versions as a part of your organizers for your cosmetics. And I'm gonna show you a couple of ways how I organize mine. And we came to the end of this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or you want to share your own DIY experience, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY content. I got another amazing video coming up Saturday, and I'm gonna end this video with Bible verses Corinthians 4:18. We look not to the things that they're seen, but to the things that they're unseen. For the things that they're seen are transient, but the things that they're unseen are eternal. God bless you, my darlings. Until next time, bye-bye.